Earn $100 a day with this site. If you watch this video till the end, you can earn money by watching YouTube videos. Watch the video until the end, and if you see that you can do this and this video is useful for you, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Well, to get started, go to the Add Me Fast website. Do not work with any option and go to the register option. Wait a little until this page comes up. Well, here you have to enter your email and set a password for your account. Repeat this password one more time. Finally, click on the register option. Well, now he has sent you an email with a link inside. We have to proceed with the rest of the work with that link. So, log into your Gmail account and click on the email sent to you from this site. Well, we see that he sent us a link. Click on this link and wait for a while for the site to load. Well, this message should be shown to you saying that your registration was successful. Now, click on the login option above. If you want, you can activate the remember option so that you don't have to enter your email and password later. After clicking on login, you have to wait for a while until the page comes up. Scroll down this page and click on the I agree option. After that, this page should come up, which is our work page, and we do most of our work here. Above we have our points that we should increase. To increase this option, look at the left side of the site to see all the things you can do to increase these coins. You can get a lot of coins by following people on Instagram or TikTok, but as I promised you, we are going to earn money by watching YouTube videos. So come down to reach this option. Click on YouTube views. Well, sometimes this site is being optimized and the same thing happened now. We can like the video instead of watching it. So click on YouTube like. Well, it says here that he gives us a few coins for each like. Click on the like option. It's a bit long, but wait until the video is uploaded. This process depends on your internet speed. Well, when the video is uploaded, like it and click on confirm to receive your coupon. Repeat this step several times to collect more coins. Now it's time to turn these coins into money. From here on, it's a bit difficult, so watch carefully. Come here and click on the add site option. Click on this option and select Instagram followers. Select the number of followers according to the coins you have collected and wait for the followers to increase. Now leave this site and come to the PlayUp site. Click on this option to sell your Instagram account. Well, here you can easily sell your account and get the money. It's a hard job, but you can get a lot of money with this job. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.